Today, I'm going to show you 5 hacks to make your small home feel bigger, sell faster, and to sell for more. Hi, I'm Rich Sparks, an associate broker and 20 years of experience in real estate. One thing I've learned, size matters, especially when buying a home. So, how do you make your small home feel bigger? Simple. You add a second story to it. Or you do these 5 hacks and you'll be saying,
"Show me the money."
You're definitely going to want to stick around to the end and see tip number 5, the 3 C's. It really is going to have a huge impact on you. Our first tip, something you're not going to hear too many places, but use dark colors.
Say what?
When I say use dark colors in possibly a highlight wall or in trim. What happens is it gives it depth of field. When you paint everything off-white, which we hear so many times, it actually makes your place look smaller. Make sure you use a neutral dark color, a dark tan. Grays are very, very popular right now, possibly even a black. Do it with some wainscoting wall, trim, or just a highlight wall. It's really gonna make the room feel so much bigger. Number 2, let your light shine. I'm not sure why, but we always like to put our window treatments and cover a vast majority of the window. That's going to let less light in, that depth of field is closed in. Here's some great tips for letting your light shine.
Take the rod almost up to the height of the ceiling, about 2 inches below, and then I go 18 inches past on each side of the window. This allows the fabric to actually hang on either side, so it creates the impression that the window's much larger than it actually is.
Number 3, add some mirrors. I'm talking about strategically placed mirrors, preferably away from a window, which is going to help reflect and bounce that light in. Now, if you have a small space like a bathroom, don't put an itty bitty mirror in there, put a large mirror in there. Mirrors are going to make the place feel so much bigger. Number 4, too much furniture. Hey, listen, if you have to go outside to change your mind, you might have too much furniture. If you go to open your windows and it reminds you of a kid playing on a jungle gym, you might have too much furniture. If at any point in time walking through your home you have to turn sideways and do dance steps from the 1980s, you might have too much furniture. So here's a couple options. 1, rent a space, a storage unit, and put some of the furniture in there. I know myself, we have oversized furniture. It might be worth hiring a stager to get smaller furniture in there. Regardless, if there is one room, any room, where you have to turn sideways to go in, you can't open the door all the way, you have way too much furniture. Now, for the one you've been waiting for, number 5, the 3 C's. Our first C, clutter. Get rid of clutter. It's that simple. Hey, we're Americans. We like our stuff. But if you don't have enough room for your stuff, a potential buyer is going to look at your place and say, I don't have enough room for my place. Get rid of the clutter. Box it up, put it away. Get really organized. Number 2, closets. Here's a pro tip for you. Do not empty out your closets. As soon as you empty out that closet, it's gonna look smaller. What you wanna do is do a fist width apart, kind of like this. See, by having an article of clothing with a fist apart, when a husband and wife gets there, or a woman, a man, whoever, they're gonna look in that closet, and in their mind, they're gonna think, I could put so much more in that closet. That's how you want it. So don't totally empty it out. Leave blank spaces. On the cabinet above, have item, and leave a void space. And here again, in their mind, they're gonna be thinking, I can put so much in there. Our third one, Countertops. People like to cook. Clear off your countertops. Rule of thumb is this. If you can get that item out in 60 seconds, then you can put it away. Put it away for your showings. Just doing these 5 little hacks will make your property seem so much bigger and get people to write an offer on your property. Now listen, don't miss out on our other videos. Heck, we just did one on smells that sells. That's kind of fun. I hope you had a little fun. Hope things are going great. I'm Rich Sparks, and I am out.